Getting useful results from AI depends heavily on one thing: your prompt. A well-written prompt can mean the difference between vague, generic output and clear, actionable code. That's why GitHub Copilot's agent mode, combined with tools like Prompt Boost, can significantly improve your development workflow. Prompt Boost improves your prompt by adding technical context, best practices, and clear requirements. Before we give it a try, please make sure you have agent mode enabled. To turn on agent mode in GitHub Copilot, open Settings in your IDE. Use the search bar to look for the word agent. Find the agent mode option and toggle it on. That's it. Agent mode is now active and ready to help in real time. To try it out, open the GitHub Copilot chat window. Click the Set Mode drop-down and choose Agent. Now we'll try Prompt Boost extension. Search for Prompt Boost in the Extensions tab. Install it. Now open the GitHub Copilot chat window. Make sure agent mode is active. You can invoke it manually using #PromptBoost, or just say, "Boost this prompt," and Copilot agent mode will do the rest. Let's give Copilot a basic request. Boost this prompt. Create a test case generation app that can create test cases based on Jira user story. Copilot recognizes the request and asks for your permission to use the Prompt Boost tool. Once approved, it begins enhancing the prompt. Here's the new version. This enhanced prompt now clearly defines input and output requirements, specifies quality guidelines, lists technical and performance expectations, includes standard formats, and sets concrete performance metrics. You can save this improved prompt and reuse it as context in future Copilot chats or with other AI code editors. Try it out and level up your prompts.